Welcome to YarnRealm. We're going to be making a tissue holder for the car visor. All we will need is a size 4 weight yarn and a J or 6mm hook, 2 buttons, and a needle and scissors. We're going to do a slip knot and chain 30. 2, 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. And continue doing the double crochets all the way to the end. We should still end up with 30 stitches, and this chain 2 does not count as a stitch. This is the last chain that we're double crocheting into. Then we chain 2 and turn. Remember, the chain 2s will not count as stitches. And double crochet into that same stitch. And double crochet into each of the double crochets that we created, all the way to the end. Chain 2, turn, double crochet all the way to the end. Keep repeating the double crochets for 12 rows. And I'll show you what we'll do at the end. I finished the 12th row. We're going to chain 1, turn, and do 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Skip the 14 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And single crochet into the next one. So single crochet into the remaining 7 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There you go. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn. And we're going to go back to doing the double crochets all the way to the end. So double crochet into the single crochets, double crochet into the 14 chains, and double crochet in the remaining 7 single crochets. We're going to double crochet for 12 rows. So this is the first row. and into the chains. One, two, three, 13, and 14. And then the remaining 7 stitches. 1, 2, chain 2, turn, and do this for 11 more rows. So this one plus 11 more. I'm on the last stitches of the 12th row, and after this all we have to do is chain 1 and pull up a loop. So we're going to make this long, probably about 12 inches. Cut it. Pull this a little bit tightly. And we're going to fold this inwards. We're going to fold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fold it where the 7th row is. And sew this together right here. There's my needle. Making sure after it's folded on the 7th row, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Making sure this is on top of the other 7th row, which is technically the 14th row. Put that through and sew. Weave this in. Cut the yarn and sew the other side. On the 2nd row of the flap that we sewed onto, we're going to sew 2 buttons on the 7th stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on the 7th stitch, we're going to sew that there. And on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Onto the 7th stitch on the 2nd row of this flap. Go through the back, pull it forward, put it through the button, and put it through the other side of the button and down next to the other side of the stitch or of the double crochet. If your button only has 2, you can just leave it like that, tie it, and weave in the ends. Or you could put it as an X formation if your button has 4 dots, just like this button. Into an X. Put that through. And through the post. Or the double crochet. So I put that through. Now I can take it out and tie it off and weave in the ends. It looks funny. So now we could just get any tissue boxes that you have, or tissues. Whether it's the rectangle one or the square ones, they are still gonna end up with the rectangle tissues. You can take out some of them, you can open through the bottom or the side. I'm gonna open mine through the side. See? So this is going to be a rectangle one anyways. Take the tissues out. And you don't have to put all of them in. You could take just half of it if you want. Put the tissues inside. And put the buttons on. There you go. So that's the back side, and here's the front side, and you can pick out where the tissue comes out from. And there's the tissues. We're gonna make a strap of chains on the 9th and the first double crochet rows. Put chains enough to make it go around the visor of your car. Looking at the front, where the tissues come out from and the hole is, we're gonna go from the corner right here, make a slip stitch, go in the corner right here, pull that up to make a slip knot, and then chain 1, 2, 3. The visor should be about 6.5 inches. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So do 20 chains. And this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the single crochets, 5, and then the double crochet, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So on the 10th row, we're going to slip stitch. I'm just going to chain 1 just to secure it a little bit more, and weave in the ends. Same thing on the other side. Go in the corner, slip stitch, and chain 20. After this, you can just hang this onto your car visor and you're done. Thank you for watching YarnRealm. I hope this helped you make this car visor tissue holder. If you want more videos like this, more tutorials on things, any ideas, you can comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Happy crocheting! Okay, so here's the visor, and you could just bring this down, pull it out, and then slide this in this way where the mirror is, or you can slide it in the other way to where when you have it down, up, it will be on there. I'm going to put mine inside right for now. That's how it looks like hanging onto the visor. So I could just put that back on and slide it up so it's out of the way sometimes, and so the tissue part isn't showing. And there it is when it's on the other side, for when you put it down and have the mirror up.